If German cars are built for the Autobahn, Japanese cars are built to outlive time itself. You want reliability? Japan is the blueprint. Welcome to the Garage of Legend. Today, we're looking under the hood of Japan's greatest car brands. The ones that built an empire of trust, toughness, and tech without ever needing to brag. Let's break it down. 1. Toyota. If you had to bet your life on a car starting every morning, you'd choose a Toyota. From the Corolla to the Land Cruiser, Toyota built its name on bulletproof reliability. And let's not forget, they own hybrid history with the Prius. Now, they're going electric with the BZ series. Toyota isn't flashy, it's foundational. 2. Honda. The silent genius. Honda is what happens when engineers care more about perfection than marketing. Their engine's legendary. Civic Accord, CR-V, all smart, efficient, and built to last. And then there's the VTEC magic, the S2000, the NSX cars that taught the world that affordable and fun can go hand in hand. Honda isn't just smart, it's surgical. 3. Nissan. The comeback fighter Nissan has had highs and lows, but when it hits hard. Skyline G, TRZ Series, Silvia Icons. Every car enthusiast has a Nissan poster moment, and today they're back in the game with the new Nissan Z, the Aria EV, and more. Nissan always reinvents itself. It's the samurai that never stays dead. 4. Mazda. The soul of driving zoom zoom wasn't just a slogan, it was a lifestyle. Mazda is the artist in Japan's auto family. 1010-5 Miata, the best-selling roadster in history. They don't chase horsepower wars. They focus on balance, beauty, and feel. Even their design Kodo is a whole philosophy. Mazda builds cars with heart, not just horsepower. 5. Subaru. Built for the wild, Subaru doesn't build city cars. They build cars for snow, dirt, and the unknown. Symmetrical all-wheel drive, boxer engines, and a cult following that treats their car like family. From the rally-born WRX to the adventure-ready Outback, Subaru is for people who don't just drive, they explore. 6. Lexus. The silent assassin luxury. Meet Lexus. It shook Mercedes to its core. Toyota's luxury arm didn't just challenge the Germans, it embarrassed them. LS4. Today, Lexus combines whisper-quiet luxury with wild performance. RCFS 500, Mitsubishi, the ghost of glory, and yes, they're killing it in hybrids too. It wasn't touched. Lexus proves you don't need a European badge to own the luxury game. 7. Let's be real. Mitsubishi isn't what it used to be. But once 3 GT, Pajero, Lancer. Now, they're mostly crossovers. Suzuki and Daihatsu, the tiny titans. But that DNA, still there, waiting to be revived. Mitsubishi is a legend fighting for relevance. Infiniti and Acura, the luxury rebels. 8. Small cars, big roles. Suzuki builds some of the best compact cars in Asia. Think Swift, Jimny, and more. Daihatsu, now part of Toyota, rules the Japanese car world. They don't go fast. They go forever. 9. Acura gave us the NS and TLX Type S. Infiniti delivered the G35 and FX powerful, tech-forward sedans and SUVs. They're not German. They're different and quietly brilliant. So why do Japanese cars still dominate the global market? Not because they're loud, not because they're flashy, but because they're built to outlast your excuses. Precision, reliability, innovation, with zero ego. That's Japan's legacy on wheels. What's the greatest Japanese car of all time? Comment below. Smash the like button if your car has ever had a VTEC moment. And don't forget to subscribe. More raw, honest car content is coming every week. See you on the next ride.